I was on my way back home from a road trip with my dad, and I decided to crack my knuckles and fingers. I started with my knuckles, then moved onto my fingers, pushing back on each one individually. Unfortunately, I began with my middle finger, and as I looked up, I made eye contact with a woman in our neighborhood with my middle finger on full display. I was so embarrassed that I froze, keeping my finger up. As a timid person, I only talked to my next-door neighbors, and now this neighbor 2 blocks down must think I'm an asshole. To make matters worse, I walk my dog by their house every night, and I'm not sure how to face her again.